The new NMAX was designed with a concept of prestige and confidence, in which its style is made simple but elegant, that provides comfort and reliability through a sense of riding superiority. A liquid-cooled 4-stroke SOHC 155cc single-cylinder 4-valve fuel-injected engine with CVT and VVA. The bore and stroke delivers excellent power and torque characteristics. The stop and start system automatically shuts off the engine when the machine is stopped and idling, which contributes to the excellent fuel economy. The smart motor generator enables quieter engine starts and restarts. The crankshaft is turned directly without having to drive it through gears, thus eliminating the sound of the meshing gears for quieter starts. Equipped with a 230mm front and rear disc for smooth braking. It comes with ABS as standard to give you more controllable braking power. The machine detects the smart key on the rider, which allows use of the mate switch knob to start without needing to insert the key. A 12-volt power socket is located in the left-hand storage. The right side storage pocket comes with a waterproof lid and can fit a large 7 to 8-inch smartphone or tablet. A convenient lever-style switch that allows the rider to cycle through displayed data. The 2-level seat provides comfort and plenty of space for both the rider and passenger. The new NMAX adopts a 6-bulb LED headlight design. 4 lights on the top row are for low beam, the 2 lights below for high beam. The rear stylish taillights shows off the MAX series DNA with a unique 3-dimensional design. These flashing indicator lights equipped for riders to warn other motorists during peculiar situations. The storage is big enough to fit a helmet with a 23.3-liter capacity. The hinge that opens and closes the seat has 2 springs, so that after unlocking via an easy-to-access button, the seat opens slowly and naturally. The bigger and easy-to-read LCD instruments include a bar-type fuel gauge, speedometer, clock, and fuel economy data. The tank is conveniently located inside the center tunnel and can be opened via a button press, with refueling done without needing to open the seat. The new NMAX. Performance innovated. Mobility perfected. Ride on this class-leading machine that delivers unparalleled mobility. Available in ABS and standard versions.